ওয়েলকাম। শিবানী সরকার, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার, রেওতলা হাই স্কুল, বটিয়াঘাটা, খুলনা। সাবজেক্ট ইংলিশ, ক্লাস 6, লিসন 3। At a railway station. After completing the lesson, students will be able to talk about people, places, and familiar objects in short and simple sentences. Read and understand text. Read the following passage. My friend Sajjad and I were sitting at the railway station. I came to see him off. Sajjad was going to Dhaka to his elder sister's house. It was very crowded in the station. There was a long line of people at the ticket counter. A woman was standing in the queue. She was holding her child's hand tightly. A group of young people was talking loudly and drinking tea in front of a tea stall. An old couple was trying to find a quiet place to sit down and rest. The waiting room was crowded too. I saw one man who was trying to carry 3 heavy suitcases. A young lady was sitting on a bench with her luggage at one corner. She was reading a magazine. My friend and I stood near a newspaper stall, talking and watching the crowd around. Soon my friend's train started to leave. As the train whistled, he picked up his suitcase and we said goodbye to each other. Vocabulary: see off, বিদায় জানানো; crowd, জনাকীর্ণ; লং লাইন, দীর্ঘ সারি; কিউ মানে সারি; হোল্ডিং, ধরে থাকা; টাইটলি, শক্ত করে; লাউডলি, উচ্চস্বরে। টি স্টল, চা দোকান; ওল্ড কাপুল, বয়স্ক দম্পতি; সুটকেস; লাগেজ, সুটকেস; ম্যাগাজিন বা পত্রিকা; হুইসেল, বাঁশি বাজানো; পিক আপ, তুলে নেওয়া; গুড বাই, বিদায় জানানো। Match a word from column A with a word in column B that was an opposite meaning. On is done for you. Column A. Column B. Long, short; see off, receive; quiet, busy; heavy, light; pick up; drop. Look at the pictures below. Talk about what things you see and what are happening. Answer. 1. I see a train has just touched at a railway station. 2. Some passengers are seen through the windows of the train. 3. A coolie is seen to carry a luggage and some materials. 4. A passenger carrying a bag is seen to leave the station. 5. A woman with her child is going to get on the train. Homework. Suppose you went to one of the places listed below. Describe what you saw, what were happening, and what you did there. 1. A shopping place. 2. A bus station. 3. A fair. Goodbye.